Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Versa engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving both time and money. Replacing a dirty air filter helps your engine breathe better, improving fuel efficiency and overall performance. The best part is, you typically won't need any special tools, just a new air filter. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is off. Pop open the hood and secure it with the prop rod. Now, look for the black, rectangular air filter housing, typically found on the passenger side of the engine bay, often near the battery or brake fluid reservoir. You'll see two metal clips or tabs on the front edge. Simply unlatch or push these to release the cover. With the clips released, gently lift the airbox cover. You'll now see the old, often dirty engine air filter. Carefully slide it out of its housing. Take a moment to wipe away any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the airbox using a clean cloth. Now, take your new air filter and slide it into place, making sure it sits flush and the rubber gasket is properly seated. Once the new filter is in, carefully lower the airbox cover. Make sure any tabs on the rear of the cover align with their corresponding slots on the housing. Press down firmly until the cover is fully seated, and then snap both metal clips or tabs back into their locked position. Double-check that the housing is completely sealed. You should replace your engine air filter every 12,000 miles or at least once a year for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.